Magnetic circuit and its analysis. Here we can see this is a iron core on which a conductor is wound, and the current flowing through this conductor is capital I. Capital N represent the number of turns of this conductor. This small a represent cross-sectional area of core in meter square. This iron core is a magnetic material with high permeability. It may be iron or soft steel or any other magnetic material. Phi is the magnetic flux in Weber. It starts from the same point and finish on the same point and complete the magnetic path. L represent mean length of magnetic circuit in meter. So this is called a magnetic circuit. Flux density is represented by capital B. It is equal to flux upon area. This flux upon area is flux density. Magnetizing force is represented by capital H, which is equal to B upon mu, where B is the flux density and mu is the permeability. Also, this mu is equal to mu0 into mu r. This B is equal to phi by A. So we have replaced this B by phi by A. The unit for magnetizing force is ampere turn per meter. Also, we know H is equal to Ni by L, or HL is equal to Ni. So if we replace the value of this H by this formula, phi by A mu 0 mu r, so we get phi by A mu 0 mu r L is equal to Ni. Now from this we get the value of phi, so phi is equal to Ni by L upon A mu 0 mu r. Now this is a reluctance. Reluctance is denoted by S. Reluctance is the opposition offered to the magnetic flux by the magnetic path. Now from this relation we can say that flux phi is directly proportional to Ni. This flux phi is directly proportional to Ni, and this Ni is magnetomotive force or MMF. Also from this we can say that when the current is increased, flux also increase, or when the number of turns increase, then flux is increase. Also from this formula we can say that flux is inversely proportional to reluctance. This is a reluctance, L upon A mu 0 mu r. Also from this we can say that flux, this phi is equal to Ni. Ni is MMF, which is magnetomotive force upon this. So this is a reluctance. It resembles the Ohm's law. So it also sometimes referred as Ohm's law for magnetic circuit. For electric current, the Ohm's law is I is equal to EMF upon resistance. This is a Ohm's law for electrical circuit. Here flux is analogous to electric current, MMF is analogous to EMF, and reluctance is analogous to resistance.